Hi.
This autumn morning we are starting our hike to Puchmal Dor.
And as we are living in Yivia, we take the route from it and then going through village of Ur. There are also plenty of other routes going from Valdenuria as well as I know.
We are not setting up a goal to hike to the peak today.
Yeah, as we don't know how difficult the trail will be, how tired we'll be, so we're not gonna do that. And our plan for today is to go as high and as long as we can and just find a good place for us to camp. So let the adventure begin. In this video, we share with you our 2-day hike to the peak of Puchmal, which was our first experience in climbing to the top in Pyrenees and the highest peak we've ever reached. It was a great hike for us. We had lots of fun doing it and enjoyed every moment of it. We are happy to share this hike with you, as it holds a very special place in our hearts. Hope you enjoy watching! Easiest part of the hike right here. We're going all the way up there. The mushroom season has begun, but we are not experts, so we're not gonna risk it. That's looking weird. Even though it's a car road, but there is not much cars in this time of the year. It's start of October. Smell of the autumn forest is unbelievable. It's a mix of autumn leaves, pine trees. Wow, there is a surprise table for a picnic. That was unexpected. So we decided to take this forest path instead of the car road to cut out the way a little bit. It turned out to be more difficult, but at the same time more picturesque. So it's worth it. Out of the path. Now in sea. Ski resort. Wow, the view is incredible here. We can see our peak now. So we got to some ski resort on Puigmal. So for dinner we've got today some rice, bread with different grains, tomatoes, time to eat, and our improvised table of 2 huge backpacks. So bon appetit! So far this has been quite an easy hike. No steep routes, easy going hike in general. So let's see how it goes. Another ski resort that seems to be a bit neglected, But maybe just for now, for summer, for season it will be open. Don't know. How do they get there, the cows? Almost on the peaks. That's the question. The sky is incredibly blue. It's getting close. The sky is closer to us. These clouds. I'm in love with them. Suspiciously flat surface till now. That can be meaning only one thing, that the hard hike is around the corner. So we've got an excellent idea to leave our backpacks and to go up without the heavy weight. So isn't it excellent? So we can get up the same days, or today, not tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll do it once again. But as we're very close to the peak, like 3 kilometers, so we can't resist and want to go up today. So just now, having left 3 kilometers to the peak, the hard route started with lots of rocks. It's only 3 kilometers. Let's go. This is hard, not gonna lie. The hardest 3 kilometers. Best cardio ever. Almost there. This is the highest peak we've hiked so far.
Yeah, it's our personal record.
Yeah, definitely. That was super difficult. We sweat like crazy. Yeah, 3 kilometers, the hardest ones. But the view, check out the view, guys. It's incredible. Somewhere there should be Val di Nuria. It's in the clouds, it's completely covered in the clouds now. Hopefully someday we can see on the clear day. And the sun is setting, we gotta get back now, soon. And somewhere there is our home. It's so tiny now. This is our little hill. We've hiked all the way from there. It's incredible to believe, even for us. It's like 17 kilometers, 20 kilometers away. In one day, and we didn't expect it to do it in one day. Believe it? That's crazy. That's how cold it is in the night, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's like ice.
Cold.
You can freeze your arms. It's been incredible. Going in the dark now. As you can see, it's dark there. And in case if we're not gonna be able to film there, not sure. So we're going to set up a tent and to prepare dinner. And well, and good night. Maybe we'll film there. We'll see.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you like to see more hiking adventures in the mountains. Comment below to let us know what do you think of this hike and share your experience of climbing the mountain. We would love to hear from you. Hope you are all having a wonderful day and we'll see you again soon.